Let's talk about making 10 as a strategy for addition. So let's say we have 9 plus 4. Okay, right away, I know 9 is really close to 10, so the making 10 strategy is what will make 10. I know that 4 is 3 plus 1, and if I give that 1 to the 9, then I know that's 10, and then I have 3 left, which makes it 10 plus 3, which makes it much easier. That makes it 13. Let's look at another one. What if I have 8 plus 5? Well, I know that 8 plus 2 is 10, so if I just take 5 and say 5 is 3 plus 2, and I give that 2 to the 8 to make it 10, then I have 3 left, and 10 plus 3 is 13. It's just a strategy to make it a little bit easier for you to add.